Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a ring light and tripod combo. Now I get a lot of questions from my viewers asking what is the best equipment to use when starting out as a new YouTuber, TikToker, or even for Zoom calls. Seems like a lot of people want to get into becoming content creators, but they don't know where to start or what is the best equipment to use. So I decided to start a series of videos where I will be pointing out what is some of the best equipment to use when creating content on YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform. As always, I will find you the best equipment with the best price and performance. When starting out as a new content creator, most folks don't have a huge budget to work with, so I'll be looking for the best value for the money. As I continue with these series, we'll look into video, sound, editing, software, etc. But today, we're going to start with lighting. For this video, I chose the Radiance 10-inch LED ring light from Gearlight, which comes with a light, a phone holder, and a tripod. So let's open this baby up and see what we have. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews, plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. So let's see. So this is the Radiance 10-inch LED ring light from Amazon, link in description below. And let me get all this out of here, be right back. Alright, so when you unbox this bad boy, this is what you get. You get the ring light itself, you get two different phone holders, one that has a gooseneck and goes right in the middle of the light, and another one that is a clip-on that you can put anywhere on the tripod. You get a tripod, you get a remote control to control your phone when you're far away from the light and you want to activate it. All this, like I said, is the Radiance 10-inch LED ring light combo kit, available on Amazon, link in description below. And by the way, you get the instruction manual with it also. I suggest you read through that. And this kit retails for $21.24 at the making of this video, which is a fantastic deal. And this is an LED light, and it uses a USB connector. So you can hook it up to anything that has a USB power source to it. So it's very convenient, it's very compact and remote. You can take it anywhere. As long as you have a battery bank that you can hook up to this, you can give yourself light anywhere you go. This unit also has a 1-year warranty. So any trouble whatsoever within the 1 year, you contact Gearlight and they'll take care of you right there. The ring light has a convex lens for more even light distribution. The light itself has 3 different light modes. It has a very convenient control panel right here. You have 3 different light modes and 10 brightness settings, which is good for photo, video, Zoom calls, anything whatsoever. You can adjust it from very warm to colder, so you can go with whatever mood you have or whatever the purpose is of the video or photo that you're shooting. The tripod extends from 17 inches, which is what you see here, to 60 inches in full length, 74 inches with the light attached. And I'm going to demonstrate all this in just a moment. It also has a tilting head, which makes it very convenient to angle the light or the phone in any direction that you want. The 2 phone holders, like I said, one is a gooseneck and this is removable, does not have to be inserted in the middle of the light all the time. And I'll take this off in a moment and show you what it looks like. But you can use this someplace else, and this does have a metal assembly. It's not plastic, so it will last you for quite a long time. Trust me, I've used some of these phone holders that are plastic and have just like a wire inside. Very cheap, poor quality. Within a few months, they're broken. This one is bound to last you much, much longer. And this one is also very portable. You can use it with this tripod or any other device that you want to attach it to, because it just has a simple clip that opens up and it's round and you can put it anywhere you like. Opens up like that and you just insert it anywhere that's convenient for you. Very, very useful right there. The remote also is compatible with both iOS and Android, so you can use it to control any phone. Regardless of which one you have, this light will work with you. So I'm going to show you exactly how convenient and useful this light really is. I'm going to go through the different light modes. I'll show you the tripod, how it extends and how high or low it can go, how convenient it is to use. And this light is perfect for, like I said, being a YouTuber, TikToker, Zoom calls, whatever you want to do, whether you want to, show your face or show products, whatever it is, whether you're doing demonstrations of putting on makeup or something like that, or even like some YouTubers where they take apart very intricate small devices and you don't want to have a very high light separated from what you're doing. This light will get really close to what you're doing and you can control the brightness right on the task of what you're trying to accomplish and give you much more control over your lighting, even in minute controlled areas. So it's ideal for that kind of situation. And considering that a lot of YouTubers and TikTokers that are just starting out, they start off with their cell phone, with their smartphones. So that's why this light is perfect for that. You can start off with your cell phone. You don't need to have a huge expense with high-end cameras, and you can get yourself started until you have more money and improve your equipment down the road later on. This also, like I said, since this is removable, this does have a screw port right here where you can connect another light maybe possibly in the future and use it that way, or put whatever else is convenient for you in there. As you can see from the back, it has a slot area so you can hook up a lot of different things on there. The light itself, very compact and very lightweight. I mean, this only weighs a few ounces. Very, very lightweight. This is ideal, especially if you're a TikToker, YouTuber, whatever, that you like to travel around and go to different places. This is very convenient to take with you. So let's do some demonstrations with it. Okay guys, before we get started hooking up the light and a tripod and standing it up and looking at all that stuff, let's do a little bit of testing right here on the bench. One of the things I wanted to point out is different ways to use the light and how efficient this light really is. So as I mentioned before, you see that it comes with a little USB connector on the end of it. And if you have a brick, you can hook it up to your wall outlet and get power that way. So let me hook it up to the wall outlet right here. And then you see right here, your little control panel right on the cable lights up and tells you that it's ready to go. Now the little control panel has all of the features on there that you can control, temperature, lighting, all that kind of good stuff. So you turn it on and then you can cycle through the different temperatures for whatever project or whatever mood you're in. Whatever you want, you can cycle through the different temperatures and set it up to whatever is best for you at that time. And then you can cycle through the different brightness levels. You can either make it brighter, dimmer, whatever the case may be. Cycle through it and find what suits your needs the best. So there you go. One thing I wanted to point out also was how efficient this light is. Let's turn it off and unplug it from the wall. So let's say you're somewhere on the go and you don't have access to a wall outlet. You don't have power. What can you do? Well, a couple of different alternatives. Let's say you carry around a brick like this, a big battery bank, and you can hook it up to that. So let me turn it on, and then we hook it up to this, and instant power, turn it on, and you have light anywhere you want to go. But what if you don't have a big brick like this? What if you don't want to carry something as big as this? Can you do it with something smaller? Well, yes, you can. How about a little tiny battery bank like this one? This is only 1500 milliamps, I believe it is. Very tiny little battery bank. Will it work? Let's hook it up to this one and see. Because I'm sure most of you have something small like this. So hook it up to there and you have power. Turn it on. There you go. Instant power with a little tiny battery bank. That tells you how efficient this light is. You can be anywhere on the go and have your power source right in your pocket and move around with the light, handheld, put it anywhere you like, aim it wherever you need to go. So it's very flexible with your project that you don't have to have it on the tripod. You can go handheld and just aim it any direction you want. And have your phone right here in the middle pointing at wherever you want and still be mobile, ready to go anywhere you like. Using the gooseneck that comes with it, it'll hold your phone wherever you want it to be. So let's hook it up on the tripod, stand it up, and see what it can do. Alright, so before we stand up the tripod and see it at full extension, let me show you some of the little features that it has. Very compact to start off with, like I say, very easy to carry around anywhere you want to go. If you're going to be on the go, throw this in a backpack and you can go anywhere at all. Excellent for being a YouTuber, TikToker, any kind of platform you're on, you can take this with you. And very collapsible, has all the little expansion notches right here, has a pivoting head. All you do is loosen this up and you can tilt the head in any direction you want it to go. Very convenient to hold either the light or the phone on the end of the tripod. So it'll work for any function you want. It doesn't only have to go with the light. You can use this with a phone when you have daylight and you don't need the light. So you get two benefits out of this tripod. Also has excellent aluminum legs that spread out and you can stand it up. And all these little tabs right here help you to open up the tripod and extend it out. And I'll show you all that in a moment when it's fully extended. So it's very convenient as far as all this goes. So let's open it up and stand it up and see what it can do. Okay guys, there you have a shot of the light at its minimum. Basically the tripod is down as low as it will go. And you see the light set up there with a phone in the middle of it. So that's how it would look if you're using it to shoot something. You can set it up whatever's convenient for you. And there you go, I have the phone and the light angled downward as if you're doing a product review or demonstration or repair or whatever it is that you're doing. Let's say I was trying to shoot that vice in the video. There you go with the phone pointing right at it and the light lighting it up perfectly. That shows you right there how easy it is to shoot a video with this. And there you can see the light guys, and it is halfway extended. That is half as tall as it will get. Now I'm going to extend it all the way up. And there you have the light fully extended. That is 72 inches of height with the light. Remember, the tripod is a little less than that, but fully extended with the light included, you're talking 72 inches. That is enough to light up a 6-foot man without any problem whatsoever. And in case you're wondering how bright is this light, well, there you go. This is the light lighting up the shop all by itself. It's enough to light up whatever you're shooting without being too blaringly bright that'll give you bad exposure with whatever camera you're using. Okay guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the Radiance 10-inch ring light by Gearlight. This is a really good product at a fantastic price. If you're starting out as a content creator on any platform and you're looking for an inexpensive, good quality light to light up your video or photo projects, this is a good light to look into. I'll be sure to bring you more tips like this in the future for improving your creative experience when you're making your projects even better. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.